Hello everyone. Today I will explain chapter number 4, simple equation. First of all, we will explain simple equation. What is the mean of simple equation? Simple equation, an equation containing but one unknown quantity and that quantity only in the first degree. An equation containing but one unknown quantity and that quantity only in the first degree. An equation containing but one unknown quantity and that quantity only in the first degree. Equation means example we can take. Suppose that y plus 5 equal to 10. Y plus 5 equal to 10. So here is y plus 5 equal to 10. It is a unknown quantity. Y means find the value of y. Y equal to 10 plus 5. There transposition plus 5 there, we will write there equal to minus 5. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Y equal to means value of y equal to 5. Equation, it is equation y plus 5 equal to 10. To find the value of y, to y equal to 10 plus 5, there we will write minus 5, and y equal to 10 minus 5 equal to 5. We will see first exercise 4.1. First question, x plus 3 equal to 0 if x equal to 3. X plus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to 3 means put the value of x equal to 3 means x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 0, 6 equal to 0. So 6 and 0 is not equal, means this answer is No, and this value is not satisfied. Five p plus 2 equal to 70. Find the value of p using trial and error method. Trial and so it is a p left hand side, right hand side. Clear? Left hand side 5p plus 2, right hand side 17. Find the value of p. We will take different value. First of all, we can take 0. 5 into 0 plus 2. So 0 plus 2 and 2. 1 into 1. 5 plus 2 7. 2. So 5 into 2 plus 2. 10 plus 2 12. P equal to 3. 5 into 3 and 15 plus 2 equal to 7. Means P equal to 3. If we will take p equal to 3, so 5 3 is 15 plus 2 equal to 17. That is a left hand side equal to right hand side. If we are taking 0, 1, 2, that is not satisfied of this equation. In second exercise, find the value of unknown variable. X minus 1 equal to 0. The solution, it is a very easy. X minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 minus 1, there you will write plus 1. X equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Clear? Second one, there is also find the value of unknown variable. 2l equal to 42. Clear? So between 2 and l, multiple sign is there. L equal to multiply, there you will write change in divide. 42 by 2. Clear? So 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, means L equal to 21. It is the value of L. In first question, find the value of unknown variable. X minus 1 equal to 0, so x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 0, minus 1 there you will write plus 1, s equal to 1. 2l equal to 42, l equal to 42 by 2, cancel 21, l equal to 21. Clear? In this exercise, all the questions are same. Only find the value of unknown variable. Next one. In third exercise, same. Find means what find? Find the value of y. Find the value of unknown variable. 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. It is a equation. 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. So 2y equal to 37 by 2 plus 5 by 2 there, change in minus 5 by 2. LCM of 2 and 2, so 2. 37 minus 5. 2. तो 2 1 जा 2 2 6 जा 12, 2y इक्वल टू 16, फिर y इक्वल टू 16/2, 2 8 जा, y इक्वल टू 8. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट वन, second one, 2x plus 4 equal to 12. Clear? First of all we will solve bracket. 2x plus 4 equal to 12. तो 2 into x 2x, 2 4 जा 8 equal to 12. तो 2x equal to 12 minus 8. 2x equal to 4. x equal to 4/2. 2 2 जा 4. x equal to 2. Clear? It is like a fraction. It is a simple equation. 2 in bracket x plus 4 equal to 12. The first of all we will solve bracket. 2 into x, 2x, 2 4 ja 8 equal to 12. 2x equal to 12 plus 8 there minus 8. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4/2. 2 2 ja 4, x equal to 2. 2y plus 5/2 equal to 37/2. 2y equal to 37/2 minus 5/2. 2y equal to LCM 2, 37 minus 5. 2y equal to 32/2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. 2y equal to 16, y equal to 16/2, y equal to 8. Clear? It is a value of y, it is a value of x. Means in this exercise, like this question is there. In chapter number 4 only there is given find the value of unknown variable. Clear? If you have any problem you can ask in comment box. Thank you student.